London, where did you find the wig, girl? Where did you find the wig at? London. London. You like it? Now, I know your hair looks better. I know, right?
My sister and my mom's picking me up. London is ready.
Hi.
She got her little two-piece on. She ready for the beach. I made this bomb coffee and I left it in the microwave because of course mom liked it. But I just ordered an iced caramel latte to go. So I'm excited to just relax. I have to work the next 2 days. So today I'm really gonna try to relax. I didn't like the coffee the first time, but this is good. And homegirl in there, y'all saw her in the previous vlog. She follows my story, my channel and everything, and she was like, oh my god, how are you feeling? I heard you had a situation a couple days ago, or I saw you had a situation, and she's referring to my kidney stones, where I feel like I was almost gonna die at the hospital. But that's so sweet that she like follows along and she remembers, and you know, she made sure I was okay, and I really don't know her, so I appreciate that. So shout out to you, girl. You really make my day. And this coffee is a bomb. And she is ready. Y'all gotta see her little two-piece. She look a little we weren't ready for her to wear the two-piece yet, but today you ready, ain't ya? Ain't ya? I don't know what's taking them so long. My mom literally lives around the corner. What is happening? Maybe that's it. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna go to Cocoa Beach, have water by the like drinks, not drinks, but like seafood by the pier. It should be very relaxing and fun, just a girls' day. So yeah, they're pulling up now. But anyway, all right, y'all, let's go ahead and get going. Come along with us.
Say hi, Mama got on you.
She got her two-piece on today.
You look so cute. Hot girl.
Hey, mama.
Hey, baby. Look, she ready to. I love that reaction when she saw me and hey, mama. You miss Nana? She got so excited. I know you miss her.
Aww.
She transferred the law to state. You like home next. Meantime, my finance is straight. I even open up the door to the financial state. House on the water, hit the beach. Whenever she from the north and still can't believe the weather.
Oh, this is nice for you, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. It's my little birthday. Yeah, you know the sand hot.
California, sand so hot you can walk on it.
You could or you could not. Oh yeah, I bought my Havaianas.
We definitely gonna
Spray
eat.
me.
Especially on my shoulders.
Yes.
I brought the squad with me. Left them with the cameras on. I just wanna have a good time. To the left, turn around and shuffle to the left, let's slide now.
Sit over here with her Nana. I'm going now.
Don't see your chair.
It's gonna be a bad year. It's been a couple of years without her, so and then once I'm snapping out the way to get out the house, you can smell it. It's deep. And they are the only ones that have rich peach and barbecue.
Today was such a good day. I almost didn't come, but
Flaky.
I was like, just take the baby, just take the baby.
Girl, no, me and Mama would have been by ourselves.
We had a good time. I really like Coco, and it's so close. Y'all gotta check out Coco. So you gotta turn where the Cheater Stripper Club is. You gotta get Mead Avenue, you gotta get the Coco Pier.
Cocoa Beach Pier. Not Jetty Park, not Banana River. Jetty Park is cool, but Cocoa Beach Pier is more like, yeah. It doesn't have the pier or the boardwalk. Jetty Park is more like family if you want to throw stuff on the grill and have like a park day, but Cocoa Beach Pier is my little getaway. Ooh, there's some chowder fries.
Chowder fries. Oh,
Gotta eat
there's
'em with
shrimp
a
on
fork.
it.
It's crab meat, shrimp, everything. You gotta eat them with a fork with the gravy. You gotta literally eat it up here.
They're hot.
It's hot.
Hot. Good.
Wigs can soak it up in that stuff. And they make their chowder from scratch, you said.
Wow, that's good. Who thought of chowder fries? Oh, I can make this at home.
Girl, I'm gonna try.
Chowder, shrimp,
Crab.
crab over.
These are the beer batter fries. their big better fries. Does it have seasoning in it? Just crab, shrimp, yep, it's like juice, like it's chunky. Me and Roger come over here just for the fries.
Oh my god. Hey.
She want another fry.
Want the fry? No, she not. She got one in here. So the chips are for. Oh, the spinach, the dip coming. And we got oysters coming. And mussels. So good. Clam cheddar fries.
Yeah, my phone was nobody.
Oh my god.
Wow, we gotta get your fork.
This one's up on the floor, right?
Love it, baby.
That's good. Oh, I'm having a good time. Look at God. She is. Just like the sunrail yesterday.
Mathers. You like Mathers? Oh, wait till I take y'all to the Robinson or the Hampton. Or the Hampton Social.
I heard about that. Y'all, these clam chowder fries
We'll get you fat.
What, baby?
Lundy, what's the matter? What's the matter?
You sleepy? You sleepy? You want some? Thank you. That's good.
Try with no bag.
Oh man.
Dip it in the butter. Yeah, you gotta dip it.
Yeah, I dip the whole thing in the butter. Put it on the dip it in the butter. Put it on the napkin. Cracker. And then the horseradish with the cocktail sauce.
Well, basically,
Yeah. Yeah, the horseradish. Drop my luncheon off. I gotta work in the morning. No, I thought it almost sounded like bang lady.
We already played this.
You gon' get your way. Cause you got too much time. Niggas take off running when they see you coming. It's true, it's true, it's true. One day, all them bags gon' get in your way. I say one day, all them bags gon' get in your way. So, act like and my hand will never smell. Keep straight. My hand will never smell the same.
You gotta bleach that hand. Bleach that baby.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Have you ever been to the Abbey?
No, I have not. That's actually a place I have not been to.
What you about to do?
Girl, I'm gonna go soak in my jacuzzi jet tub. Pour me a glass of champagne. And me and the Real Housewives of Potomac have a date.
Potomac.
Yes, them peppers from Baltimore, Maryland. They crazy.
Potomac.
Potomac.
I ain't never heard of Potomac.
Do I go straight?
No, you can turn right. Well, you can turn. I don't know what you're gonna do.
Shit, you got that car seat, but I guess you just take it upstairs with you.
No, you gonna keep it in your car now.
Girl, I ain't got space like that.
Mar, what you gonna have me? You see, you gonna.
I already got the stroller, so you gonna have to work it out.
London, where'd you find the wig, girl? Where'd you find the wig at? London. London. Where'd you find the wig? Can I have it, please? London. London. No. London. London, can I have it back? Can I have it? You like it? Your hair looks better. Your hair looks better. You like it? Now I know your hair looks better. I know, right? I got you, baby. Look like Cher. I got you, baby.
We're at Port Orlando trying to grab something to eat. Try a different restaurant. This is called Rodizio Grill. It's like a Brazilian steakhouse, but it's questionable because I don't see a lot of people inside. So I'll look and see the menu. So it's like a Brazilian steakhouse, so I think it's a lot like Texas de Brazil, where they bring you a lot of meat and stuff like that. So we're gonna try it. It should be good. I'm hungry. We'll see. So this is like Texas de Brazil, y'all. So I'm excited. So what?
Yeah, so we have some great options over here. Well, I really recommend the Godiva. They're my favorites.
Oh, you've had that. Yeah, he had that under his.
It's really good. We have the white chocolate, and we also have the.
Yeah, he'll take one too. Thank you.
Here.
Oh yeah, we'll take some of that too.
Flank steak.
Yes. You want flank steak?
At the medium, which temperature would you like? Medium flank steak.
Yeah, medium for me. He likes medium well.
I'm just gonna rub it with
Oh, sure.
Just a medium one.
Okay.
Just a medium one.
Thank you. Thank you. It's good. Thank you.
Could you assist me with the tongue squeeze? One side?
One more for him.
All the way down, sir? Yep. Sounds good?
Yep, thank you.
I think I need to get
Need a changer. Here's.
some more of that shot.
I know.
Chocolate tart is a 4 blended chocolate.
Okay.
It's gluten free and it's dark chocolate, so it's not gonna be too sweet. Then we have Brazilian caramel flan. This is our cheesecake with either raspberry or guava sauce.
Okay.
Then we have creme brulee, and my favorite, the 3-layer chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream with cream and bananas.
I like the one with the 2-layer chocolate cake, but I never had creme brulee before.
It's also really good.
Is it? Is it like you just pick one, or can you have them as many as you want?
It's separate, so
Oh,
you
it's
can have
separate.
as many as you want.
Okay. What do you think?
Is this good?
The flan, yes, it's Brazilian caramel flan.
London. Psst, psst. Come back from the bars, boo boo. Look at yourself in the mirror. Look. London. Let me go back inside. Let me go back inside. Oh yeah, do say inside. Say inside. London. London. Is that good, London? Is that good? Shrimp and broccoli stir fry. Yum, yum. She like it. Oh, she got some gravy on it. She's good. Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Where you going? You figured that out, huh? Come on, this way. Turn it this way. Turn it this way. There you go. You're so smart. You're so smart. All right, get it, baby. Jim, baby. Yeah. Yes, mom. Get it. Do your dance. Dance, baby.
Yep.
Let me see. All right. It's good music. Like, oh, don't poke yourself in the eye.
See, I'm glad I got this. Rather say, even though it's too big for our kids, I'm glad we got it. Because we got kids that come over all
Well, I'm about to slide these little
Like you said,
They'll hurt themselves, baby. They're babies. You cannot do that.
you can rent this out. You gotta figure out all the.
Down the slide.
You got to figure out like the insurance.
You can walk,
and all that,
baby.
but we can rent this out. You like that water, London?
Look how fast this one is.
Oh, okay, it's cool. Mardom. Oh, watch baby. Are you just gonna stand in one spot, London? Or you just gotta warm up, huh?
When I got close, you.
Oh.
Mr. Chance, these kind of turtles are.
We are eating this amazing food. We're back at the boathouse. You guys remember boathouse from my last vlog? But y'all, I got this lobster, I got this steak. It's Mother's Day. We're trying to eat good. We're trying to relax. It's a nice little breeze. Have you had a porterhouse before? Yeah. Find out. Yours looks fattier than mine. I don't like that. I want that one. Try it.
You dusty for Nana? Yes, baby. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, Poopy. I appreciate the help. Thank you.
Hey y'all, I'm sorry I look a hot mess. There's reasons, okay? It's 8 o'clock. I'm home. I'm about to bathe my daughter. Just picked her up. I just got off work today. I wasn't even supposed to work today, but I switched days and goddamn, y'all. I have faced every fear I've had in one shift. When I tell you, so much has happened on this shift, like, and I manned it. Like, I took care of my patients. I was good. I was pretty much on my own. I had my preceptor there, to help me as needed. But y'all, we had 2 codes, 2 cardiac arrests. One guy came in from like the airport. He was found unresponsive. They were doing CPR. EMS brought him in. They were already doing CPR. Pushed like 9 rounds of epi, 4 rounds of bicarb, like just going. And my preceptor was a scribe, meaning she was just documenting the time that everything was given, arrival, when the IO was accessed, when another IV was accessed, like, so she was just writing everything down. So I was there to really witness to see what was going on. Y'all, he came and his face was already blue. Like, okay, Bookie. Yeah, y'all, so that girl, my wig done lifted on the side. That's how much. And that was from the second cardiac arrest that happened with this lady, 45 years old, collapsed, 13-year-old daughter found her. It was just nuts, man. They didn't save her either. Both patients died today. I had to do post-mortem care. I had to move her body. I had to tag her. I had to bring her to the morgue. And I had a fear of touching dead bodies. Like, I've always had a fear as a kid. Like, I never will touch a dead body. Today, she's like, you gonna learn today. Y'all, that was a lot. So, one family already got the first body out, and it wasn't even like an hour and a half later when we had another EMS blue code blue come in. It was freaking nuts. And they probably worked on her for an additional 10 minutes, but she didn't make it either, y'all. And they had to keep everything in her, the intubation, because it could have been like a homicide. I don't know. I can't go too deep into it, because HIPAA, that's why I'm not discussing the patient's identity or anything like that. But like trying to move her and holding her eyes are open, mouth was open. I'm like, oh my God. And everybody's like, oh, laughing, talking about stuff. I say, what is wrong with y'all? She say, oh, this is dark humor. You'll learn. You have to deal with it with humor. That's how they cope. I don't know. But now I understand, because I literally was in shock. Not emotional, like sad, like, I don't know. I feel like if it was a kid, it would have been like, a lot worse for me. But it was definitely an experience. Like bringing her down to the morgue, getting her in the body bag, tagging her toe, tagging her body. Like, it was a lot. Tell him it was a lot. It was a lot. But I'm glad I got through my first death. And it's weird because people don't have deaths for a long time starting as a new nurse, and then I get freaking 2 in one day within like an hour and a half apart. It was nuts. But y'all, I just had to go in here real quick and tell y'all how that went. So I moved her to the morgue, and it was just a crazy day. But it was worth it, you know? Like, you feel like you're doing stuff that matters. So it's like, and it also makes you realize how like short life is. Like, life is so short. Like, 1 minute you're here, 1 minute you're not. Ain't that right? Give me a kiss. Value your kids, value your parents, value your grandparents, value your family. You just don't know, okay? You just don't know when your time's up. You gotta value these cute little baby faces and love on them. Gotta love on them, tell them. Yeah, you gotta love them. Ah! Yeah, y'all, so I just want to tell y'all, I'm off for the next 2 days. I don't work until Friday, and then I'm taking my daughter to Volcano Bay on Saturday. So just a little staycation. That's much needed. So I just want to get on here and tell y'all how that went. But today was very stressful, but it was a good stress. Like, I mean, of course, I hate that we lost 2 patients today, but it was just one of those days. Like, it was a lot. Anyway, I'm gonna try to shake this off. I got some seafood, got some Mr. and Mrs. Crab, got some vegetables with some shrimp with some extra potato corn, medium butter garlic. I have some plum wine, and I'm gonna relax. And yeah, we're gonna relax. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Tell him. Tell him. Like, you gotta keep moving. Tell him. Yeah. Tell him. Yeah. Y'all, she talking. Tell him. All right, y'all. I'll get back on here later. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Love you. Alright, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. I have to go drop my car off to BMW to get it serviced and get something fixed. So I'll get back on here tomorrow once I'm a little bit better. But she always makes it better. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Girl!